What up, YouTube? We are back with another video. We are going over Bitcoin. And if that sounds good to you guys, hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for all the support and all that that's been going on with the Discord lately and with the YouTube channel. So I just wanted to thank you guys, and I do see it and I do recognize that you guys are absolutely killing the game. So here, if you guys would like, we are got a bunch of people in here live streaming and chatting it up and stuff like that, and we're live trading, and so join us over on Discord. But yeah, look at this. We've had this like little mini situation here where we came up, touched this point of control to the absolute dollar. So what happened recently, right, is so we were calling for this to be longed. We were calling, and we have all of this stuff here in this Neo's idea section right here, right? We have all of this documented. You guys can see all of this stuff. But we're calling for this long, calling for this short, calling for this long. Here, I didn't put this up because it was over the weekend, but during the moment last night, I was thinking to myself, you know, this would be a really good short opportunity because we have come up, we swing failed these highs, and also too, we did put in some divergences on the 30-minute chart right here. And that would also continue us to be in this lower highs, higher lows triangular pattern going on right here, right? And also too, you had the point of control here. So little swing failure pattern to the downside. And so now the question is that which one of these is going to kind of break first, because you could have it set like this, right? I think it could even be something like this, right? That looks a little bit better. And you have this where, you know, you have this support here, support. Now you're getting supported here. The overall trend obviously is to the downside. And so we could have some deviation, but if we break this right here, does that mean that we're just going to automatically start falling all the way down back, you know, all the way down here? Not necessarily, because we are just going sideways, but we do have to look at the fact that we do have this right here, right? This is just a massive area of support that we have no choice but to look at. Like this 30K, 31K region has to hold. But the thing is like, if you look at the overall structure of everything, it's like, this is just the support. The lows are not getting any lower necessarily, but the highs are getting lower and lower each time. And so we could have a break to the downside, but again, we also have to go all the way back, right, to where we can see that we do have these lows down here. Let's see this really quick. Let's do one right here. Let's do another one right here. And let's do another one right here and another one right here, right? So we have all of these, and we have to think like we've already come down and taken these two right here. So it is possible that we just come all the way down, take this low again, and then pop back up and then range for a while, then come all the way down and take these lows and pop back up and range for a while, because that's just really what's been happening. There isn't really enough people actually selling at the lows or whatever it is. And even here, it's like we don't really have that many lows, and then we'd have this massive gap between these 4-hour lows right here. So that's like a 16% gap. So it's like, if we do keep calming down, it's going to be like slow and slow and slow. And so the reason why we had these massive moves right here is because you had so many shorts right here, so many short stops right here, so many short stops right here, so many short stops right here. And then here was just absolutely massive, because look at all of these stops, we take all these stops, and then after that, like, there's no more to take really. And so there could obviously be a massive cascade, but I don't know. I feel like the gaps are too big right here in order to keep coming down. And, you know, obviously we're talking about coming all the way down here. But anyway, this is getting way too far. This is supposed to be daily videos. I'm not trying to go all the way down to there. But anyways, let's just talk about what's gonna, yeah, I'm getting way too ahead of myself. Let's just talk about what's the ideal for the next situation. Well, down below this video, I do have my Bybit link. I do have my Discord link. I have all of that stuff, right? And so what you're going to want to do is, if you want access to these ideas that I have, then you're going to want to go down below. You're going to sign up to Bybit. You're going to sign up to Discord. You're going to sign up to Bybit using this link right here. It costs you nothing. You owe me nothing. If you have any questions about signing up, you click here. It'll take you to this Discord link, which will bring you to this Bybit info. And you can just read over it to get access to the newest ideas and frequently asked questions. And so you'll get access to all of these, even on the Cardano, 17% trade, 6.5% trade. Aave 17% trade, Bitcoin, you had 10%, 9.5%, 5.4%. Some of these could be updated actually because the price has changed so much recently. But yeah, so with all that being said, what are the next game plans? Well, like I said, we have no choice but to kind of look for that $30,000 to $31,000 region for a possible support area. And then, we kind of have no choice but to look at the 38 to 37 region for a possible short opportunity. But for the most part, on a daily basis, we have Max in here. He's usually live trading. Ocean's usually live trading with us. And we're just all in here chilling, having fun. So if you guys really want to be a part of a community that's actually trading, you don't have to have access to these people that are live trading and all this other stuff. Just join the community and be a part of it, and because that's usually where they're posting up all their ideas, and we've got all these ideas right here too. So yeah, that's just the overall concept. Like I said, if you want the actual numbers and stuff like that, you're just gonna have to join and become a supporter by signing up to Bybit down below, and that's gonna do it, I think. Yeah, so everything is just looking sideways basically. Giving you kind of an idea that I'm looking for the downside. I'm giving you guys an idea of what I'm looking for to the upside, and how we have, as a team, have been playing these trades recently, just catching all the longs and the shorts. And hopefully you guys will join us. I'll catch you next time.